Afternoon, how's it going? Right, quick one today. We've just been working on this first generation VW Crafter, the 2E chassis, I believe it is, 2E, 2F, depending on the crossover. But it's the first generation, so it's the older one. Customers converted his van, so he obviously does day vanning in it and staying in it and stuff like that. And what we've done is, just to help with manoeuvring and things like that, we fitted a high-level brake light camera. So it's aftermarket, but it's all routed through and all the way through to the front, and then we've managed to attach it to his factory head unit. Obviously it's one of the earlier ones, but we've managed to get it all in and working. So as it's now starting to rain, let's jump in and have a look. So the camera's all on the back, we can just pop it into reverse, and then there we go. Oh, perfect. There's a van driving off. So we've got a nice clean image looking straight down the doors. So the bottom of the screen just here, that is the bottom of the doors and all the bumper, and then you can obviously see nicely off behind the van. So now reversing this van up to anything is going to be dead easy, and no more dings or dents need to be put back into it. It's all just kind of, it's a coded in feature, so it's not just running off the reverse signal, it's actually it's picking up that signal through the CAN data and everything. And then it will just time out and turn itself off, so there's nothing else to press, nothing else to do. So that's about it really. First generation Crafter, high level brake light reversing camera, all in, all working a treat. Going to make this van a lot more easy to manoeuvre. Customers should be pretty happy. Thanks for watching. As with always, give us a like, make sure you subscribe and things, and jump on all the socials and have a look at everything else we do. And we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.